Have you ever wondered what it truly costs to land a high-paying job? It's not just about the salary you earn. Some careers demand more than just talent. They require years of sacrifice, relentless training, and shouldering enormous responsibility. The cost isn't just financial. It's measured in sleepless nights, personal sacrifices, and the immense pressure of making decisions that can change lives forever. Today, we're diving into part one of the world's costliest jobs, exploring the immense investment required to reach the top. First up, at number 1, we have surgeons. Imagine dedicating over a decade of your life just to education and training. That's the reality for surgeons. They spend years in medical school, residency, and fellowships, accumulating massive student debt long before they earn a significant income. But the real cost is the responsibility they carry into the operating room. Every incision, every stitch involves a human life. A single, momentary lapse in concentration can have irreversible consequences. The cost isn't just the tuition fees. It's the years of youth spent studying, the sleepless nights on call, and the extraordinary emotional weight of holding a life in your hands. Next, at number 2, we have anesthesiologists. They are the unsung heroes of the operating room, the guardians who ensure patients remain safe, unconscious, and pain-free during surgery. While the surgeon focuses on the procedure, the anesthesiologist is meticulously calculating drug dosages, monitoring vital signs, and making split-second adjustments. Every heartbeat, every breath is under their watchful eye. The margin for error is virtually zero. A slight miscalculation could lead to catastrophic outcomes. This is why it's one of the highest-paying medical careers. The cost is constant, high-stakes vigilance where every second matters. Coming in at number 3 are lawyers, specifically corporate and trial lawyers. The path to becoming a lawyer is paved with years of grueling study in law school, followed by the bar exam, and then endless preparation for every case. The financial cost is significant, but the mental cost is even greater. A corporate lawyer might be handling a billion-dollar merger where one mistake could cripple a company. A trial lawyer might be defending someone's freedom where the outcome determines the rest of their client's life. The costliest part of this job is the relentless pressure to be right every single time, because the financial and human consequences of being wrong are monumental. At number 4, we find investment bankers. These professionals operate in a world of extreme highs and lows, where fortunes are made or wiped out in the blink of an eye. The career is defined by incredibly long hours, intense competition, and a level of mental pressure that is difficult to comprehend. They work on massive deals, initial public offerings, and complex financial models where a single misplaced decimal point can cost millions. The rewards are legendary, but so are the risks and the personal toll. It's a career that demands total commitment, often at the expense of personal life and well-being. Flying in at number 5 are airline pilots. Becoming a commercial airline pilot requires a massive upfront investment in training, flight hours, and certifications, often costing well over $100,000. But the financial barrier is just the beginning. The true cost is the immense responsibility they bear. Every time they take off, pilots are entrusted with the lives of hundreds of passengers. Their job is a constant cycle of training, simulations, and skill updates to prepare for any possible emergency. It's not just about flying a plane. It's about managing a complex machine and a human crew while carrying the weight of ultimate responsibility at 35,000 feet. At number 6, we have petroleum engineers. These engineers are at the forefront of one of the most demanding industries on the planet. They design and develop methods for extracting oil and gas from beneath the Earth's surface, often working in some of the most remote, challenging, and dangerous environments imaginable, from deep-sea oil rigs to isolated desert wells. The job requires a high level of technical expertise and the physical and mental endurance to handle harsh conditions and long periods away from home. The career is known for high risks and high rewards, but the personal cost in terms of expertise, endurance, and time away from family is substantial. Finally, at number 7 for part 1, we have data scientists and AI specialists. In our digital age, data is the new oil, and these are the experts who refine it. They turn raw, messy information into powerful insights that drive business decisions, shape new technologies, and even predict future trends. Reaching this level requires advanced education in mathematics, statistics, and programming, often including a master's degree or a PhD. Their skills are so valuable that companies are willing to pay top dollar, but the cost is continuous learning in a field that changes almost daily. They are the architects of our digital future, and the price of that role is a lifetime of intellectual investment. These 7 careers demand far more than just intelligence. They demand unwavering commitment, incredible resilience, and a profound sense of responsibility. The cost is measured in years of education, immense pressure, and deep personal sacrifice. But in return, these professionals get to be the ones who truly shape our modern world. If this video helped you understand the true cost behind these high-paying careers, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you're ready to discover the jobs with even higher risks and even bigger rewards, make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss part 2. Thanks for watching. Success always has a price, and not everyone is willing to pay it.